Have you ever wondered why, despite individual wins, casinos always seem to come out on top? The answer lies in a fundamental principle of probability known as the law of large numbers. This powerful mathematical concept underpins the entire gambling industry, ensuring the house's long-term profitability. Section 1. What is probability? At its core, probability is the measure of the likelihood of an event occurring. It's expressed as a number between 0 and 1, where 0 means the event is impossible and 1 means it's certain. For instance, if you flip a fair coin, the theoretical probability of getting heads is 0.5, or 50%, because there are two equally likely outcomes, heads or tails. In theory, this is a fixed value, but in practice, things can look different in the short run. Section 2. Introducing the law of large numbers. The law of large numbers is a central theorem in statistics that bridges the gap between theoretical probability and real-world outcomes. It states that as you repeat a random experiment a large number of times, the average of the results obtained will get closer and closer to the expected theoretical value. Imagine trying to guess the average number of jelly beans in a jar. The more guesses you average, the closer you get to the actual count. Section 3. How the law of large numbers works. Let's use our coin flip example. You know the probability of heads is 50%. If you flip a coin only 10 times, you might get 7 heads and 3 tails, a 70% heads frequency. This is a significant deviation from 50%. However, if you flip the coin 1,000 times, you're much more likely to get a result closer to 500 heads and 500 tails. Flip it 1,000,000 times, and the proportion of heads will almost certainly be extremely close to 50%. The law of large numbers guarantees stable long-term results for the averages of random events, even though individual outcomes can be unpredictable. Section 4. The casino's edge, house advantage. Casinos don't rely on luck, they rely on mathematics, specifically the house edge. The house edge is a built-in mathematical advantage that ensures the casino profits over time by retaining a percentage of each wager. This advantage is expressed as a percentage and varies by game. For example, in American roulette, the presence of both a single 0-0 and a double 0-0-0 pockets gives the casino a 5.26% house edge on most bets. European roulette, with only a single 0, has a lower edge of 2.7%. Even games like blackjack, with optimal strategy, typically have a house edge of about 0.5% to 2%. Slot machines can have a house edge ranging from 2% to 15% or higher. Section 5. The law of large numbers in action at the casino. Now, let's connect the house edge with the law of large numbers. While a player might experience a winning streak over a few hands of blackjack or a few spins of the roulette wheel, the casino deals with millions of bets every day. Each individual bet is a small trial in a vast experiment. As the number of these trials increases, the actual average outcome for the casino, across all wagers, converges towards its mathematically predictable expected value, the house edge. This means that over time, the small percentage advantage built into each game accumulates into substantial profits for the casino. Any short-term winning streak by a player will eventually be overcome by the game's inherent parameters due to the sheer volume of plays. In conclusion, the law of large numbers is not about individual luck, it's about the statistical certainty that emerges from a large number of trials. For casinos, this law is their bedrock, guaranteeing profitability because their small, consistent advantage is amplified over countless games and bets. It's why the house always wins. In the long run, not through trickery, but through the undeniable power of probability. References: 1. Rivesh P. 2014. The Laws of Large Numbers, 1st edition. Elsevier. 2. Venkatesh S. 2012. The Theory of Probability, Explorations and Applications. Cambridge University Press. 3. Loreto V. Servideo V. D. P. Entria F. 2026. The Science of the New. Oxford Academic.